Alright guys, time back with an unboxing. It is Negima Volume 6 or Magic 6 or Magic 601, Magic and the Dark Arts. Dark Arts, not Dark Arcs, but Magic and the Dark Arts. Anyway, you have Asuna. This is Asuna. Oh man, it's been a while since I've seen this. But anyway. And it's the Viridian collection. If you've seen my other Negima unboxings, I didn't get it, but this is what all I can find was cheap, and I didn't feel like paying $30 or $50 for a new copy, 50 or 30 for a used copy, so I bought Viridian collection used for 10. Still the same thing. The only thing different is it says this and that. But anyway, front, spine, back. Volume 6 has episodes 23 to 26. Extras. There's that. I'll hold it for quite some time. Alright, there's that. You have your anime source, which is from 2010. And yeah. There is the disc. There's no reversible cover. There's the disc. Like I say, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace.